This is my client who came in wanting to change her almost all virgin hair into a beautiful purple with hidden rainbows. I foiled all of her hair while avoiding the root area so that I could blend the lightener backwards and make sure that she'll have an easier grow out. I used the same technique throughout the whole head. After applying all of the foils, I removed the back section first as soon as it was ready. I then ran the lightener over the ends for just a few minutes so that we could lift up any remaining blue pigment. Before applying my Vivids, I like to make sure that there's no buildup or anything in or on the hair that would get in the way of the color taking perfectly even. I used K18's Detox Shampoo to wash her hair, which is a color-safe clarifying shampoo that nourishes the hair while also removing buildup, which is what helps prep it for the color application. I then used the K18 4-minute leave-in mask, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and one pump was enough for all of her hair. I applied this vivid color in 3 different sections. The bottom section and the perimeter of her hair was all purple, while the middle section was rainbow, and the top overlay was purple again. I always make sure not to take too much hair in the top section so that the rainbows actually pop through and the purple doesn't end up covering all of that beautiful work. We are so obsessed with the outcome. Her hair looked so perfect and it's so healthy.